Hi guys, our study is on Jaguar Jaws, a study of interactive learning.
My name is Christopher Cam.
I'm Golnoush Khosravi.
I'm Vanessa Suarez.
I'm Alberto Uribe, and we're all students in Biology 143 with Dr. H.
Our study was based on an interactive activity where participants would look at the morphological differences in a jaguar's jaw, focusing on its strong bite force. Our participants were asked to complete a pre-activity survey, and following that, a lecture-style explanation was provided. Participants would also create their own jaw device with items provided as a design-based activity. Lastly, the participants completed a post-survey to see how much each test subject learned. This type of learning procedure implements engagement and an increase in interactiveness while also strengthening interest in the field of science and mathematics.
This research activity aims to help the students better understand the maximum force bites across different animal species, the impacts of muscles and jaw shapes on bite force. It also aims to teach the students how to form of jaguar jaws relate to their function and provides the basis for such a strong bite force. We hypothesize the participants will improve in understanding the morphological variance, jaw shape, and how they result in varying bite forces through an engagement activity. Maximum bite force is dependent on jaw elevator muscles, morphological features, and reflex mechanisms, all of which vary by species. Generated force is negatively correlated with mandibular inclination, indicating that as the jaw increases in length, force generally decreases. Jaguars are opportunistic hunters and they will hunt almost everything. They sneak, stalk, and ambush the prey by pouncing all while avoiding chasing of prey. This activity is expected to help relay this information while engaging the participants in a hands-on activity.
Participants of the study is given a pre-activity knowledge assessment. There are 6 total participants with the age group ranging from 16 to 70. Individuals worked on a ranking worksheet. Participants made a jaw device simulating a representation model of an animal's bite. There was a brief lecture and video. Participants filled post-activity assessments and surveys. Recorded data was analyzed and compared. The assessments were recorded by the number of corrected answers, and the results were recorded against each other. The survey consists of 5 questions with a ranking 1 through 5, 1 being the activity was not helpful, and 5 representing the activity greatly helped and increased their understanding. Maximum possible points were 25.
As for our results, as we can see in this figure here, in the blue, individual scores ranged from 0 to 3 on the pre-activity assessment, but as shown in red, all 6 participants scored 100% on the post-assessment quiz. This correlates with an overall increase in understanding as a result of their participation. In conclusion to our activity, we also had them fill out a survey. The results are shown in the second graph off to the side in purple. The majority of participants, 5 out of the 6 total, scored the activity as highly beneficial within the ranges of 21 to 25. Only 1 participant scored the activity in the range slightly below the maximum, from 16 to 20. Overall, our hypothesis is supported by the results of our study.
All right, due to the pandemic, limitations of the sample size were small. Activity was originally intended for younger students, but results show the potential use in high school and undergrad settings. Once the pandemic is lifted, students will be able to perform this activity in classrooms.
Okay, here's our references, and we would like to thank our professor, Dr. H, and the TA, Taylor Langdon, for the support and information provided to us. Also to the family and friends who offered their time to participate in the study in lieu of elementary students. Thank you.